Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best sewage grinder pump you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many sewage grinder pump and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each sewage grinder pump so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a sewage grinder pump. First, check the pump's horsepower and capacity to ensure it can handle your household or facility's wastewater needs efficiently. Next, consider the material and build quality, as pumps made from corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel or cast iron last longer in harsh environments. Also, look for a pump with an automatic operation feature and reliable cutting blades that can handle solids effectively. Pay attention to the brand reputation, warranty, and availability of replacement parts for long-term maintenance. Energy efficiency and noise levels are also important factors, especially for residential use. Lastly, choose a pump that meets local plumbing codes and installation requirements. Selecting the right sewage grinder pump ensures durability, smooth operation, and fewer maintenance issues in the future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.